Hi, Mark T the Handyman here. Today we're going to unpack and assemble a HKAI baby bouncer. So first, let's unpack. That. Got the main mechanism, got the cover, got the instructions. This is a HKAI baby bouncer. It is hand washable. Do not use bleach, hang only to dry, do not iron, and do not dry clean. To assemble the bouncing mechanism, you need to separate the pieces that are connected with the elastic band. By pulling the parts out and then reconnecting the parts by guiding the fabric holder to the mechanism holes that line up. Next, you can connect the support stand mechanism the same way. Pull the support stand elastic band out and place the support stand holes together. Next, you need to adjust the height of the bouncy, placing the mechanism to the height that you require. The height adjustment has 3 settings: low, medium, and high. This is a close-up of how the adjustment works. Right now, we have it set in the lowest level. But by pushing the adjustment in, we can go to the next level, which would be the medium level. Then we push it in to lock it into place. Pull back again, and you can place it in the next level, which is the high level, and then push it in to lock it back in place. And this is the fabric, 100% cotton. Goes down there. Now it's time to hook up the mobile piece that hangs above the baby's reach. And there we go. Baby gets. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up or a like. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.